Those in Lucia School of Ballet and Modern Dance will host a 4-day workshop incorporating themes from the Cultural Development Foundation's CDF Recent Mass Movements Initiative. However, founding director Theresa Collymore emphasizes the program's primary focus on technical development.
This workshop was actually inspired by a mass movement project that the Cultural Development Foundation held earlier this year, where one attended a week workshop to cover the dimensions and specifications of how to create a mass movement choreography. So approximately 19 choreographers, group leaders were invited to attend this workshop, and an actual piece was put together which was featured at one of the jazz events on the Derek Walcott Square. So having met so many of our teachers, dance enthusiasts who took part in the mass movement, it inspired us to have a 4-day workshop which will really concentrate a bit more on technical development for the younger student and the mature student.
Dance educator and the School of Ballet alumna Weslyn Stephens, currently based in New Jersey, will lead the seminar. Stephens hopes to inspire participants toward successful careers in dance.
To be an example for our young people that, dance could be something for their future, and also to inspire our older dancers who are raising and teaching our younger generation, to impart in them some of the skills that I have acquired over the 20-something years of educating in dance that I've learned, and I want to pass on that information to my fellow St. Lucians.
Stephens also outlined her expectations for the seminar.
I'm hoping that the theme that we have chosen around emancipation inspires some kind of work that can be used in the future, or just to help to create more work done by our local dancers.
The workshop begins July 28, 2025 and concludes July 31st, 2025, aligning with Emancipation Day activities. Sessions will take place at the organization's headquarters, the Sanctuary in Balata. Registration costs $40. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.